materials. The first, let's see which start this essence.
So, good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see about the additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is nothing but it's one of the branch of plant manufacturing, which it is addition of materials. Okay, the addition of materials is called as additive manufacturing. So, in this additive manufacturing, we will have 3D printing and also we have metal printing, so etc. So, these are come under the additive manufacturing. So, this category is based upon the Industry 4.0 automation and industries. So, let's add here.
So, coming to additive manufacturing, it is the initialization of Industry 4.0. As Mahesh said in the previous video, it is a bottom-up approach where the component is made layer by layer from bottom to from top to bottom also it can be done, but we can mostly prefer the bottom-up approach. So, additive manufacturing is completely opposite from the conventional method called subtractive manufacturing. Here there will be no wastage of any materials or components which we are going to made up of. So, for example, we can consider the drilling machine, which is under 3.4 inch. So, if we are considering the aluminium material over to that, there will be a phase of 3-phase electric motor for a while. Apart from that, there will be n number of chips, chips will be formed over that. Once we are getting into additive manufacturing by using sort of robotic arm or 3D printing, we won't be getting any wastage like that. The material wastage will be less enough.
So, coming to additive manufacturing, there are two types. So, there are many types in additive manufacturing, and some others have been commonly used in additive manufacturing. Fusion deposition model. Hence, it's a model where the launching will heat the filament. The filaments are being many types in the world, like polymers and other degradable, non-degradable, and some other materials will be added, and the filaments will be made with this. They will make toys and other graphic prototyping. So,
Minimum viable product also can be made additive manufacturing.
Okay, now while coming to additive manufacturing, as we all have gone to the IT workshop in additive manufacturing. There we have done the additive manufacturing in the basis of resin. By using resin, we are going to print the materials what are all we needed. So there, while using the resins, we should be careful in the resin handling. So we should use gloves, and we should also be careful while removing it from the printer, and also some post-processing it should also be done. After removing it, we should be making stealing the product because some of the resins won't dry. So we should be cleaning that, and then we need to dry it for some time, keeping it in some specialized atmosphere, so we can cool them, and we can also make it inside. And recently I have heard that in NASA they have made a steel 3D printing, and they have made a engine.
Yeah, seen that thing.
Yeah. So we had a greatest part in the additive manufacturing. So major reason why we are choosing additive manufacturing is while comparing to subtractive manufacturing, additive manufacturing makes low wastage. So we are choosing additive manufacturing.
So, coming to the point of additive manufacturing, so it's a layer by layer process. So, in which the advantages of additive manufacturing is like it has a short-term wastage and it takes less time to produce an object or product, and it helps to make a prototype system. So, coming to the disadvantage system, the cost of the machine is very huge at the starting, and it takes lesser time for the huge production or mass production. So applications, so as our friend said, it has been built in the NASA for the steel additive manufacturing, and the engine is also made with that, and the Boeing aircraft is made, and many items can be made through the 3D additive manufacturing.
Finally, the Mahesh will conclude the session.
As we have seen, additive manufacturing is a process of adding the layer by layer process, and it is a bottom-up approach, and we can make some applications like toys and engine are made. As he said, we have attended the IT workshop, and we also attended the IIT Madras workshop, which is based on the civil process that can be done with the additive manufacturing.
So for further things, another video will be uploaded in the description, so you can watch. Thank you.
Subscribe.